Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Lexa from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw her headband with an arch curved line across. Right there. And another arch curved line across slightly below that. In the middle point of that arch curved line, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Sharp turn back diagonally upwards on the left side. And going back to the arch curved line, I'm gonna draw another curved line downwards on the left corner. Turn it sideways to the left. Turn it upwards. Sharp turn back downwards. Sideways to the left. And on the left side of that, from the upper point, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Sharp turn back upwards at the outer corner on the left. On the left side of that piece of hair, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Turn it slightly inwards at this lower point. And sharp turn back upwards at the outer corner on the left. Extend it upwards to the side of her headband on the left side. For her hair on the right side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line out to the right. Sharp turn back upwards. And below that, on the right corner, another diagonal curved line downwards. Sharp turn upwards. Turn it diagonally inwards to the left and upwards. Above that, I'm gonna copy that same shape again on the right corner. And below that piece of hair, I'm gonna draw her face shape with a line downwards, slightly inwards towards her jaw, semicircular turn at the jaw, inwards diagonally to her chin, curved line across the chin, and I'm gonna mirror the same face shape on the left side. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for her ear, and for the right ear, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line below the piece of hair at the side, outwards, turn it downwards, and diagonal turn inwards to the side of her face. Now for her eye, I'm gonna take a point in the middle of center on the right and draw a diagonal curved line upwards and slightly to the right. Semicircular turn sideways to the right and turn it downwards at the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna thicken the middle point of that line at this upper corner, right there. And at the outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna draw her eyelash with a curl upwards at that corner right there. And another eyelash at the inner corner on the right here. For the lower line of her eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across and stretch it downwards in the middle point and turn it diagonally upwards at the outer corner on the right there. At the lower outer corner, I'm gonna thicken that line right there. And inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for her pupil right there. And on the top left corner, inside of that, a smaller circle and a black circle in the middle of the eye. Above the eye, I'm gonna draw her eyebrow with an arch curved line across. And from the same corner at the side, I'm gonna draw a line across for the lower line of the brow. I'm gonna copy the whole eye shape on the left side. Now for her nose, in the middle point of her face, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line right there and mirror that arch curved line at its lower point. Below that, for her mouth, I'm gonna draw a line across, and from the ending point at the side, curve line across and stretch it downwards in the middle point and back upwards on the right corner. Now below her head, I'm going to draw her neck with curve line downwards on both the left and right side, curve line across below that, and turn it downwards on both the left and right side. In the middle point below, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape at that corner, and from the side of that, I'm going to draw in the middle point a line out, turn it diagonally downwards and slightly out, turn it downwards and inwards, across, and mirror the whole set of line on the right side. I'm gonna trace the same outline along the edges at this inner corner right there. And at the side of that shape, I'm gonna draw a line outwards on both the left and right. At the side of her collar, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there, and another one on the right side. For her hair, at the side of her head, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and flare it slightly out, turn it inwards, flare it back outwards. At this lower point, turn it back downwards, sideways to the left, turn it upwards, and from the side of her ear at this lower point, a curved line similar to the outer line of her hair, turn it inwards. And on the right side of that, I'm gonna copy the same curved line again, right there, sharp turn upwards on the right corner, and curved line across to the side of her neck. On the left side, I'm gonna draw another piece of hair with a curved line downwards from the left corner, turn it inwards, and sharp turn upwards. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the lower part of her hair, similar to the one on the right, on the left side right here. Now below her collar, I'm gonna draw a U curve line across from the left to the right side of her neck right there. For her shoulders, I'm gonna draw a curve line out, semicircle turn downwards, flare it slightly outwards, and curve line back to the left at the sleeve. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards and slightly out, turn it back inwards and downwards at that corner. Copy that same shape on the left side right here. Curve line across for the lower part of the shirt right there, and below the shirt I'm gonna continue the line of her waist downwards on both the left and right. Curve line across for the top of her shorts, and from the side of her waist I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards and slightly flare it out. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. In the middle point of her shorts, I'm gonna draw a curve line across right there, and off center of that line on the left, I'm gonna draw another curve line downwards for the inner line of her legs, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Curve line across at the ending point to the outer corner. Now for her pants, I'm gonna draw below the waist another curve line across at that corner, and in the middle point of that off center, I'm gonna draw a line downwards on the left side, turn it diagonally to the right, sharp turn back upwards to the top of her pants. Below her shorts, I'm gonna draw her legs with curve line downwards from the outer corner, slightly inwards towards her knee point, and another curve line downwards below the knee point, flare it slightly out and downwards. I'm gonna copy that same shape for the inner line of her legs on the right side right here. And below that, I'm gonna draw a line to the middle point, across, turn it downwards, across, turn it back upwards, and curve line across to the right. Below that, from both sides, another curve line downwards on both the left and right. Below that, at the side, I'm going to draw a line across on the left right there. Turn it diagonally downwards, across, diagonal turn back upwards, and across. Copy that same shape and mirror that at this lower point. And from the ending points at the side, I'm going to draw a diagonal line outwards and down from the top. Turn it back inwards with another diagonal line. Mirror that same set of diagonal lines on the right corner right there. And on the left side of that shape, I'm going to draw a line outwards, sharp turn back inwards. Below that, I'm going to draw her shoe with curve line downwards on both sides. Flare it slightly outwards. And turn it back to the middle point on both sides. Turn it back upwards in the middle point right there. Below that, I'm gonna continue the line downwards on both sides. Curve line across for the base of the shoe right there. And from the side, I'm gonna draw a line inwards at this upper corner. Turn it diagonally upwards, across, diagonal turn back downwards on the right side. Curve line across, back to the side. In the middle point of the base, off center, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally up, curve line across, diagonal turn back downwards. In the middle of her shoe, above that, I'm gonna draw some lines across. At the inner corner of her shoe on the right, I'm gonna draw a line out, turn it downwards, turn it back inwards at this lower point. For the details on her boots, I'm gonna draw at this upper corner in the middle, a line out, turn it downwards, across, and mirror the same shape again on the right side. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw another diagonal line from the side upwards, across, diagonal line back downwards. Copy that same set of line again at this lower point, and below that, a line across at this corner. On her thigh, I'm gonna draw across a few curve lines right there, and two more curve lines below that. I'm gonna copy the whole leg shape on the right side. Now for her hand, below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards on the left corner right there, For the inner line of the hand, I'm gonna draw a similar diagonal line again on the right corner. And on her elbow, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across from the left corner right there. Turn it back outwards at this lower point to the left. Another smaller semicircle line at that corner on the left right there. Another diagonal line upwards to the left at the inner corner and the outer corner of the hand. Another semicircle line across her wrist right there. And from the ending point, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. A line upwards on the left corner. Turn it sideways with a curved line to the right and turn it back downwards. And on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards to her knuckles, semicircle turn to the right and turn it downwards. Below that, a curved line across to the right, turn it downwards, and repeat that same set of line again for the other fingers on the right, semicircle turn downwards and turn it back to the left. At that ending point, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Now for her right hand, I'm gonna copy the same set of shape. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!